we're going to take some time here to kind of go over the overall job setup procedure that is set in place as of right now, April 13th of 2026 here at Onsite. So right away, you get a job, it's been estimated, it goes through estimating, the client approves the pricing. If not, then pricing gets revised, and eventually, somewhere down the road, we get awarded a project. We will actually see an email similar to this, or you should see this from Kathy, that will actually state that the job has been awarded. It provides you with the dollar value of the project, provides you some general information about the project, like who is the project manager, who has estimated that project, and the job number, and a few other things at that. Some things to always keep a note to, and we'll come back to this as well, is you always want to check your spec page to make sure that all the information that you need is there. And if you don't know where to go to find it, we'll talk about that later too. So starting with that email is the signifier that we have been awarded a project. Once you get to that point, we're going to go through here and go through the following steps. So we'll break these videos out into each step so that way we can thoroughly cover each of these. But for this overview video, we are talking about just the overall process. So we're starting up with pre-setup steps. We go into the on-site material base, add in any material and hardware information related to that, as well as any submittal information. The takeoff, we're going to have to go through there, explore what the scope of the work is that we have picked up, look at any exclusions, etc. Packet tracker is where we're going to put our packets or our tracking information for each drawing that we're providing. And then from there, install line item is a set of steps that the lead drafter, well, actually, drafting supervisor may be able to help with that. We go into submittal log. We're going to talk about how many submittals we need per project, and what packets or what drawings belong to each submittal, and then any relevant notes that go with that submittal as well. Then we go into drafting template. We'll create a custom template that matches our standard but includes all the relevant information for that project. Then we go into floor plans and RCPs because we need the template to be able to accurately make a floor plan or an RCP. Those are going to be kind of just a way to track where each of the different prints live in the building. Gets used mostly by the install team, but also by the project management team as well. Then we get into handoff meetings, which will be the final step before the job is passed on to the drafting team. So at a brief rundown of where we're at, this is currently the steps in place. And in the next video, we will start looking at the pre-setup steps.